Cooking bacon wrapped beef hot dogs on the Blackstone adventure. Let's see what we got. This is the end of the video. Oh my gosh. That is like freaking awesome. Stay tuned. I'll show you how I did them. Alright, so now, and you want to leave it on the end like I said. So now what you want to do, this is where a lot of people mess up. So you're going to wrap it like that. You're going to take your second piece, follow the same direction, overlap it so it doesn't fall apart, and you can go with it. And the reason you came on the end is you're going to stick that on the end. These skewers are so cheap. And the other thing, I use no seasonings. Don't have to. I mean, you can, but I tell you what, this hickory bacon mixed with just the flavor of the beef and the cheese, oh my gosh, you don't need anything else. This brings the flavor down to earth to me. Alright, I'll do the other two and we'll be right back real quick. And also, when you bust into this bacon, always go into the meat and not the fat, okay? The fat will just tear apart and screw you up. You want to go into the meat. Alright, so now we're going to take these awesome babies and we're going to go in here. I'm not sure if you can see that or not at this point in time. We will turn them a couple times. We'll get those in there. I did 2 last night, so now we got 3. Hope you can see that. We're going to go 5 minutes on medium on the Blackstone Adventure Ready. Yeah. Alright, we're at 5 minutes. That's what you're getting right there. What I'm going to do is twirl these a little bit. They're looking awesome. They're smelling fantastic. Alright, we're at 10 minutes. Oh man, can you see that? I'm not on the camera right now. Yeah. She done. Yes, it's okay to turn that off like that. Check that out. I've turned it off. We're gonna let them sit for like 5 minutes and we'll be back and we'll show you the taste test on the bun with Papa Texas. Check that out. If you have not tried this yet, you need to watch and get you some of these. Make you some of these, what I mean, because this thing is freaking awesome. Beef with induced cheese, cheddar cheese, Wisconsin cheddar cheese. This is what it turned out to be. I mean, a beef hot dog with Wisconsin cheese embedded in it, and then bacon wrapped with hickory smoked bacon. Awesome. I had this yesterday and it was just for fun. I thought, y'all need to see this. I wish Maddie was here. She would have loved it. Look at that. This is really good. For more outdoor cooks from Papa Texas, subscribe, hit that thumbs up. Oh no, hit the bell But turn your subscriber stuff on so you see me. It's Papa. Papa Texas. Papa's Kitchen. See ya. See you next Sunday. Or every Sunday. Is next Sunday one or not? I don't know. But hit that bell and you'll know when I put another video out. Let's go another bite. I put mustard on mine. What do you put on yours? That is like totally awesome. That Blackstone Adventure Ready is like totally awesome. But it's kind of heavy. Come on. Get you one. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. See ya.